August is a massive turning point for your apartment balcony garden. Most beginners look at their tired, sun-baked balcony pots in late summer, assume the growing season is completely over, and just give up. If you leave your containers empty right now, you are making a massive mistake and missing out on what agricultural experts call the second spring. The absolute brilliance of planting in August is that the concrete floor of your balcony and the potting soil are already baking hot, acting like a biological incubator for instant seed germination. But the plants physically mature just as the harsh summer air gives way to crisp, cool autumn nights right outside your sliding glass door. Today, we are counting down the 5 container vegetables you will deeply regret not planting in August. We are talking about incredibly fast-growing, scientifically fascinating crops that actively use the transition from summer heat to fall frost as a metabolic trigger for explosive growth and unmatched sweetness on your high-rise patio. Make sure to stick around for number 1. It is an absolute botanical speed demon. Let us get started. Kicking off our countdown at number 5 is an absolute staple that performs a profound biological miracle when planted late in the summer on an urban balcony: bush green beans. If you planted beans in the damp, freezing soil of early spring, you likely watched half your seeds rot before they even sprouted. By planting a fresh batch of highly compact bush beans right in the middle of August, you completely hijack the ambient climate of your apartment patio. The pre-warmed 85-degree container soil causes the hard seed coat to swell and burst at an astonishing rate, often breaking the surface in just 3 to 4 days. As the plant vigorously develops its lush green canopy throughout late August, it perfectly times its flowering phase to coincide with the cooling nights of September. This is absolutely critical because the midsummer heat waves that cause devastating blossom drop are completely gone, ensuring every single flower successfully turns into a crisp, snapping pod. For your balcony setup, a standard 5-gallon container pushed securely against the railing will comfortably hold 3 to 4 robust plants. Because they are a determinate bush variety, you do not have to waste time building towering vertical trellises that easily catch the strong, dangerous winds common on high-rise balconies. Extensive agricultural trials from the Michigan State University Extension officially confirmed that late summer plantings of bush beans consistently yield a significantly higher, more concentrated flush of pods compared to spring plantings, purely due to the optimized soil-to-air temperature ratio created on a sunlit concrete balcony. Fun fact, bush beans are part of a biological alliance. Their root systems actively secrete special sugars to attract rhizobium bacteria in the soil. These bacteria infect the roots, creating tiny white nodules that literally pull raw nitrogen gas out of the air and turn it into organic fertilizer for the plant. Coming in at number 4 is a dual harvest powerhouse that actively uses impending autumn weather as a chemical trigger to become impossibly sweet: beets. Most apartment gardeners completely overlook root vegetables for their balcony containers, but planting beets in August is a masterclass in biological timing. When the seeds hit the warm August soil, the taproot establishes rapidly, forcefully driving down into the container. However, the true magic happens a month later. As September and October bring freezing night temperatures to your high-rise apartment, the beet plant panics. To prevent the water inside its cells from freezing and bursting, the plant rapidly converts its stored starches into pure, dense sugars, pumping them directly down into the root to act as a biological antifreeze. This means an autumn-harvested beet is exponentially sweeter, more tender, and far less earthy than a beet forced to grow in the hot spring. You absolutely must use a deep 10-inch fabric grow bag tucked into the corner of your balcony to give the swelling taproots the physical space they demand to expand perfectly round. The soil must be heavily amended with perlite to prevent hard, compacted dirt from stunting the roots. Validating this incredible cold weather adaptation, horticultural data from the Oregon State University Extension explicitly notes that exposing mature beet crops to light autumn frosts drastically increases their sucrose concentration, elevating their culinary value to premium levels. Plus, you get to harvest the nutrient-dense red vein tops for your salads weeks before the root is even ready. Fun fact, the deep staining crimson color of a beet comes from highly specialized pigments called betalains, historically before synthetic dyes existed, Concentrated beet juice was heavily utilized by the wealthy across Europe as a premium, organic lip and cheek stain. Sitting at number 3 is an unstoppable, fast-growing leafy green that uses a brilliant delayed planting strategy to completely evade its worst biological enemies. Mustard greens. If you attempt to grow mustard greens on your balcony in the early spring, your beautiful leaves will almost certainly be shredded into absolute confetti by the dreaded flea beetle, which can easily find its way up to lower-level apartments. By strategically delaying your planting until mid to late August, you biologically outsmart the pests. The destructive life cycle of the flea beetle peaks in early summer and heavily crashes by late August, leaving your vulnerable seedlings completely untouched. As your mustard greens grow into the cooling autumn air, they utilize powerful sulfur-based compounds called glucosinolates. During the intense heat of summer, these compounds make the leaves unbearably spicy and tough, but when subjected to the chilling frosts of autumn, the extreme spiciness physically mellows out to a rich, complex, savory flavor that is highly prized by chefs. For your container specifications, mustard greens have remarkably shallow root systems. A wide, 8-inch deep window box, hooked securely over your balcony railing is absolutely perfect, saving you incredibly valuable floor space. The University of Minnesota Extension highlights late summer brassica plantings as the ultimate organic pest evasion tactic, heavily rewarding apartment gardeners with pristine, unblemished foliage, all the way until a hard winter freeze completely shuts the balcony garden down. Fun fact, the spicy mustard greens you grow in your patio container are the exact same botanical species, Brassica juncea, whose tiny fiery seeds are harvested, crushed, and fermented to create the world-famous condiment, Dijon mustard. By the way, have you ever battled the dreaded flea beetle on your balcony? Let me know your organic defense strategies in the comments, and let's get back to number 2. At number 2 is a fascinating alien-looking brassica that demands the precise environmental shift of an August planting to achieve its perfect texture. Kohlrabi. Unlike root vegetables that grow underground, Kohlrabi biologically engineers a massive, swollen, apple-like stem completely above the soil surface, adding a stunning architectural element to your patio display. Planting this bizarre vegetable in the spring is incredibly risky. If the weather suddenly gets too hot on your concrete balcony, the plant panics and heavily fortifies its swollen stem with lignin, turning it incredibly woody, fibrous, and completely inedible. By planting your seeds in the warm, heat-retaining soil of your August containers, you give the plant the metabolic kickstart it needs for rapid aggressive cell division. As the swollen stem reaches the size of a tennis ball in late September, the crisp, cool autumn air perfectly locks in its tender, juicy water chestnut-like texture. A 7 to 10 gallon plastic or fabric pot is ideal for holding 3 beautiful kohlrabi plants. The absolute golden rule for balcony kohlrabi is strict, unwavering soil moisture. If the soil bone dries in late August due to high-rise winds and then floods in September, the sudden rush of water will cause the swollen stem to catastrophically split wide open. Highlighting its massive autumn potential, the University of Wisconsin Extension explicitly notes that fall-harvested kohlrabi holds its premium tender texture infinitely longer than spring crops, allowing it to sit patiently in your container for weeks without losing its crispness. Fun fact, the name kohlrabi literally translates from German as cabbage turnip, but this incredibly resilient vegetable was actually an elite delicacy favored by the Emperor Charlemagne, who strictly ordered it to be grown in the royal imperial gardens across Europe in the 8th century. Taking the absolute crown at number 1, the ultimate rapid-fire cold weather survivor. You will deeply regret ignoring turnips. When you plant turnip seeds in an August balcony container, they do not just grow, they practically explode out of the dirt. Because the potting soil is retaining massive amounts of late summer solar radiation bouncing off your apartment walls, turnip seeds will aggressively germinate and display green leaves in as little as 3 days. This plant is a biological speed demon. You can begin harvesting the tender, spicy green tops for cooking in just 3 weeks, and the crisp, white and purple roots will be perfectly mature and ready to pull in just under 50 days. Just like the beet, the turnip actively uses the plummeting October temperatures to drastically alter its internal chemistry, rapidly converting bitter starches into highly complex sugars. resulting in a sweet, radish-like crunch that is completely absent in spring plantings. You need a wide 10-gallon container to maximize your limited balcony surface area, allowing you to scatter seeds densely for a massive continuous harvest. Because their roots are highly aggressive, they require a heavily amended loose potting mix loaded with organic compost to fuel their explosive growth rate. The University of Georgia Extension officially crowns the fall-planted turnip as one of the most reliable, highest-yielding, and fastest-maturing crops available to apartment gardeners, making it the absolute perfect choice to squeeze one final massive bounty out of your high-rise garden before winter arrives. Fun fact: before pumpkins were ever discovered by European settlers in the Americas, the original historical Halloween jack-o'-lanterns carved in Ireland and Scotland were actually hollowed out of giant, terrifying-looking root turnips to ward off evil spirits. Do not let the end of summer convince you that your apartment balcony garden is finished. August is not an ending. It is a highly explosive, pre-warmed beginning for some of the most delicious cold-hardy crops on the planet. By swapping out your exhausted summer tomatoes and cucumbers for these 5 biological survivors, you will absolutely guarantee a massive, sweet, and pest-free harvest right outside your door all the way until the snow flies. If you learned something new today, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below telling us what you are planting on your balcony this August, and we will see you in the next video.